Hey there, business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Nishi here with another social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about how to make a great website for your business. Now, you might be wondering, what does a website have to do with social media? It's a very good question. I'm glad you asked. The thing is, your website and your social media presence work together in tandem. So ideally, you're using social media to direct a qualified audience to your website where you can further grow your business and your relationship with this target audience. So if you have a great social media presence but a terrible website, you're driving traffic to your website and then you're losing that audience. So you're kind of defeating the purpose of having a strong social media presence. And vice versa. If you have a weak website, you can't grow your social media presence. They work kind of in tandem with each other. So in order to have a strong website, there are a couple of things that you need to include. Number one, your website needs to provide value, first and foremost, always. Because if someone finds you on social media, they're only going to take interest in you if you're offering value, if you're offering advice or free tips or some kind of inspirational, motivational thing that will make them want to go visit your website to get more value. So ideally, your website adds more value to your target audience by ways of a blog, for instance, where they can get deeper information and more in-depth inspiration or value or advice from you. Number two, your website should have some kind of call to action in order for you to be able to gather email addresses from your qualified target audience. So that could be as simple as just, saying subscribe to our newsletter so you can get more value. Or if you want to level up, you can offer a free recording or a free ebook or something like that in exchange for your audience's email addresses. The reason you want to get people's email addresses is because while social media is really great for reaching out to a broad audience and qualifying your audience, once you've qualified that audience and kind of narrowed it down and got them to your website, you want to be able to get their email address so that you'll be able to stay in touch with them more reliably and more consistently. And email will help you do that. So the next thing that you want to put on your website is testimonials. Testimonials are an incredible way to build your credibility with your target audience. So if you've been on LinkedIn for a while, hopefully you've been leveraging the testimonial feature, and really all you have to do is copy and paste your testimonials from your LinkedIn profile to your website. So there again, see how they kind of work together, social media and your website. And then you can even link back to your LinkedIn so people can see more of your testimonials, and hopefully that'll get you some more LinkedIn followers in the process. So once again, you see how LinkedIn and your website can help each other out. And then the fourth thing is you want all your contact information possible on your website. So all your social media platform links. And if you have a storefront, there should be an address, of course, like a storefront address and the Google Maps. And it should be impossible to not find you if you are a business. So now you're probably thinking, what about me? Because traditionally, you're right, the website is where you want to talk about yourself and your business and what you can offer your audience, and talk about your products and services. And while that's not incorrect to do, it's kind of very 2002. It's very old-fashioned, right? So what you want to do is, by all means, talk about your business and your products and your services, but you want to do it in a way where it's not really about you, it's about the people you serve. So instead of saying, these are products and services, say, these are the problems that we solve for people like this. So now you're doing two things. Not only are you positioning yourself as a problem solver and a solution to your audience's problems, but you are showing that you know who your audience is on a deep level, and you get their frustrations and their problems. So again, that just builds rapport. The perfect website doesn't feel like it's selling anything at all. I know that sounds crazy, but even though it is selling, it actually just feels like it's offering value and advice and help to a targeted audience. So when you've executed a website properly, you just feel like you're being helpful and friendly, really, instead of just selling, which is, not as appealing nowadays as maybe it once was back in the day. So that's it for today. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new video and blog every week. Until next week, take care.